Hello guys, this is Steadman, and today guys we'll be talking about React OS, and we're gonna be installing it onto this photo hard drive, which is on my photo box. So React OS is like Windows, but completely open source, and it's a Unix-like system. So it will allow you to run Windows applications within the operating system if using Wine. And I always wanted to try out React OS a lot. Okay, it's a bit glitched. Okay, cool. Now we can go to Google and it should search up for React OS. So this is their project that they were trying to do, which is meant to be a replacement of Windows. It's still in alpha though, for like past 60 years now it's in alpha 4. But yeah, I'm looking forward to try this out inside a photo machine and just, just have fun with it. Okay, so I have to open up Photo Machine. I already have set it up and everything. All we need to do right now is to install it onto my photo hard drive. Okay, so it should be loading up any minute now. I might as well just close out that, just to give myself more stuff. Okay, so cool. Now we have exited from Firefox. Now, oh, what's going on? Okay, cool. Okay, so we need to go to React. Oh, why is it reopening? Go away. Okay, so we can boot up to React OS now. Okay, so just for me, I have to just press on the start button. It should take me to installation, and we can have a look at for installation. So hopefully for installation it's easy to do. Press any key. Okay, so it's loading up all the drives. Okay, so please while away. Okay, so we want to have United Kingdom. Press any enter key. Press enter key to yeah. Okay, we can go there. Okay. Escape to continue with a new installation. Okay. Accept those drivers, and then we can click over here, and then we can format it, which is a great thing to do. Press enter key to continue. Now that should format it. Now React OS, call it React OS, and now it should be starting to copying some files. So I'm going to do a free format, and it's going to install everything onto this computer. So it's going to install for exe files. So we just have to wait for a bit, and I have to do a reboot once it has been installed, and it should be able to boot us up. So hopefully we don't get a police score death on our first try, but because I always mess things up, we probably would need to fix some issues. Okay, so it's gonna be done any minute now. Hopefully I don't get a grub error. This is what I'm hoping for. Okay, so it should be done any minute now. $89. Okay, so there's not much time left. Okay, it's done now. Setup is updating for system config. Let's have master boot record. Yeah, let's have master boot record. Okay, so it should be done in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Okay, this might take. Okay. What am I doing now? I'm back over here again. Okay, what I need to do is do a reset. Reset this for okay to F12, and now we can maybe try to boot up to our drive. Okay, React OS, and that should load up everything into React OS. Okay, so this is React OS. It looks quite old though, doesn't it? Let's have it as full screen, shall we? Okay, through full screen mode. Okay, so basically this is React OS, so it's going to install some devices. Gosh, I can't use my mouse pointer just yet. But yeah, I'm excited. Oh my gosh, I can drag this around. That's epic. It looks like the old Windows 97 Windows 97 install. So it looks quite old. Can I do that? No, I can't do that just yet. I was trying to do this box thing that we usually do, but we can't do this in this version, I guess. The installing part. So it's going to install some devices, I guess. Okay, so this is React OS Startup Wizard. Next, change system. Okay, so owner, I am John, a fan, an organization. Can we skip that? computer name, administrator password. Okay, for this one we can just set up as in my normal password. I'm not going to tell you guys my password because that would be very bad. Okay, so is it, I need to select the time zone for me. So where is UK? We need to look for United Kingdom. Whatever, I'll just keep it like this, it looks quite good. So click on to next. Ooh, they have some additions. What I would like to have though is like, I like to have a classic version actually, but we can change it. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Ooh, what about this one? Ooh, that's pretty epic. But I like the classic version though, it looks way cooler. But we can also change to this theme, so there's themes that we could choose from. Which theme should I go for? Ooh, this one is giving me for Windows 7 theme. It's Windows 7 theme. I like Windows 7. Let's continue. Typical settings. Yeah. This computer will be part of a work group. Yes, this computer will be part of a domain. Don't worry about that. Okay, so now it's going to do everything, and I'm quite excited to use this operating system. So it's going to set up an installation of it. Okay, completing for ReactOS setup. If there is a CD in a drive, remove it. Then try to restart. With computer, click finish. Okay, so then to restart with computer, click finish. So we need to wait for it to be completed. Any minute now it should be done, and then we can have a go at it and just have a look around with it. So yeah, this is ReactOS. ReactOS is shutting down, and it should boot back up. Oh god, it's gone back to the installation part. Okay, my idea, because it will keep on doing this on every boot up, so my idea is to basically get rid of the ISO file and try to boot up from that. Okay, so be very careful here, because if you remove the drive, they won't be able to boot up. Okay, remove this. Okay, now everything should be working fine. Because it should have set up everything anyway. Okay, ReactOS, and now it should boot up to ReactOS. Hopefully it's good. Oh my gosh, I like this theme. I love it. I just love the loading screen. It's awesome. Loading with personal settings. Yeah, please do that. Thank you very much. Ooh. Ooh, okay, that's fine. Install drivers automatically. Yep. Don't show this dialog anymore. Cool. Cancel. That was weird. Okay, so this is the programs that we'll have here. This is the games on here. Wine Mine. We could play for Wine Mine if we wanted to. Oh gosh, I love this. I used to play Wine Mine. It's like an addicting game for me. I always tried to beat this game when I was younger until I realised it was impossible. I think somebody else has done it though, like completed this entire game. Please let me know down in the comments if you ever have completed this game, because this game is just it's very weird. I can't even complete it. His bombs are randomly placed. So yeah guys, that was like the mine game. This is a command prompt if we want to use the command prompt. That's actually pretty good looking though. The C matrix, hopefully they have that. No they don't. So neofetch. Don't have it in a neofetch. So yeah, I think this is like meant to be a Windows thing. Okay, so this is my documents. So this is where our files be stored on. We can create a new folder here. We can call it college work or something like that. I don't know why I did not create a new folder. That's strange. Oh, I did. Okay. Okay, so we can call that one college work. By the way, guys, this is still in beta version, so it will be having issues. Now we can go to new. We can create a new text document. To go back, we have to go in there, and now we can edit this text document. Okay, so that's the theme for this. I really like this theme a lot. And is there settings here? Yep, there is indeed settings control panel. Okay, so there's games, there's internet settings, there's system, there's display. There's a lot on here. You can add hardware, folder options, OpenGL configuration, games controller. display date and time, console YD83D. So how do I change the theme? I would have to indeed go to the system, advanced, no hardware, it's computer name. So this is a computer name, we can change that if we wanted to, but it's a general system uptime. Okay. Fonts, we can change if this is all the fonts that's available, I guess. So how do I go to a web browser then? Do they have a web browser? I don't know. Hopefully they do. Games, administrator, accessories, entertainment, communication, accessibility. I don't think they do have a web browser. Control panel, search, run. Okay. So do they have a web browser? Sorry guys, I haven't used Windows in a very long time, and this is based on Windows NT kernel. Not too sure what's going on here. So how do I access the internet? I don't think I can access the internet, but if we can go to properties, then that'd be pretty cool. We can change the wallpaper if we wanted to. Oh gosh, that's so awesome. Is there like a Windows theme? Oh, there's only React OS. Wallpapers. Ooh. Let's go for this one. That's actually pretty nice looking. And now we can go to appearance. Ooh. So let's try out a classic theme. Apply. And just see how good this theme is. We can go to start. Oh gosh, this looks very, very old. Jesus. Okay, so this is just a classic theme. React OS standard. Let's go for pink. If they have pink, 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 pink. I don't see pink, so I'm gonna go for rose. Ooh, rose. I love this. What about the newer one? Like, I think that modern is a newer version of it. If we apply that, then this is like the newer version of it. Looks quite good. We can have it as dark mode if we wanted to. Apply. So now it should be dark mode. I don't like it though. Let's have large fonts. I'm not a big fan of this at all though. The version I like better would be for classic theme, but we can go apply for this one. What do they have? They only have light for this one, but we can have a look at that one. Ooh, that one is like Windows 7 sort of thing. Oh, now we can do this. That's pretty cool. Okay, so they only have light. They have a lot on here. We can go for latest, apply, and yeah, this is how it looks. But I want to go for the classic theme because this one has pink. Okay guys, so this is React OS. Pretty good system. Okay, let's play some Spider Solitaire, even though I never played it before. What's that? Oh gosh, a 9 and a 7. Do I just drag things like over here? Ah, I see, so I just drag in this and then I get a number 4 in. Ah, that's pretty cool. I never played this in my entire life though, so I might be a little bit of a noob. Okay, can he go? No, he can't. Maybe he goes underneath the king, the queen or something, I don't know. And I will just exit from this. Yes, and the current session. Now we can go back. We can go back to programs. We can go back to games, and there's like one more game called Solitaire. So this is what Solitaire is. We can drag in some stuff in here if we wanted to, like a king or an 8 or 5. But I never played this game, so I don't know what it is, how to play it. This is the README file. This is what React OS is. This talks more about it. Is React OS legal? Yes, we are. So all the code has been written from scratch. That's pretty cool. Okay. So this is completely open source, by the way, and it's still in development. So would I recommend this for everyday use? I would say no. This should not be used for everyday use, and I have a very good reason for that. It's because, as you guys saw, that weird glitch we had, right? Where we tried to make a file or make a folder. So we did that, but we would have to go back to have to click onto the back arrow and then go back to the directory that we were at, and then we have a file there or a folder there. And this is like a weird glitch I found today, but I do not believe this is for everyday use. and because this is still in development, and if you want to use something like React OS, then go for Linux and run Wine, because for Linux you can make it look like Windows. And there's even a Windows theme for Linux Mint, I do believe, that we could install from there from a place like Windows XP theme. So if you want to have a look at that, then we can. But yeah, I'm going to end this video there. Hope that you guys found this video useful, and you guys can always install React OS on mobile hardware or on your virtual machine, or whatever you want to do. It's all up to you. But I don't really recommend installing it for everyday use. But it's up to you. We can do whatever I want. Is your computer is what you want to do, that's fine. I just don't recommend it. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please say down in the comments if you like React OS. If you don't, then that's fine. But React OS is a pretty good system in my opinion. Anyway guys, I'll be back very soon. Bye.